Bill Spencer, the household chef, and today we're going to be making chicken tortilla casserole. I think this video does a great job of just showing how simple and easy this is to make, but if you'd like more information and an in-depth ingredients list and easy to follow method, please go to my website, thehouseholdchef.com. Put a layer of the shredded cheddar cheese on top. Bake in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes till it's golden, and then serve. I like to serve it over rice, but you can just put it in a bowl. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for other great recipe ideas, videos, and easy to follow method and instructions, go to thehouseholdchef.com. Thanks a lot.